Hello everyone, and welcome to Barnaby's Big Breakfast. Today, we're going to have a special Easter brunch with our friend, Barnaby the Badger. Are you ready to learn 5 new words about breakfast and Easter? Let's get started. Look, it's a beautiful, bright Easter morning, and here's Barnaby the Badger in his cozy kitchen. A kitchen is the room where you cook food. Say it with me, kitchen. Kitchen. Barnaby is wearing a white apron. He looks very happy. He says, I am making a big breakfast. First, Barnaby takes out 4 round eggs. Eggs are a very common breakfast food. For Easter, many people like to paint eggs with beautiful colors. Let's spell it together. E-G-G-X, eggs. Barnaby is going to boil them in a small pot on the stove. I wonder what color he will paint them later. Next, Barnaby is getting some bread. Bread is a food made from flour, and it's perfect for making toast. He cuts 2 slices of brown bread. Can you say bread? B-R-E-D. Bread. He puts the slices into the toaster. And pop! The toast is ready. It looks perfectly golden and warm. I love toast for breakfast, don't you? What's a big breakfast without something to drink? Barnaby is pouring a tall glass of orange juice. Juice is a sweet drink made from fruit. This juice is a bright orange color and looks so cold and delicious. Let's say it together. Juice. J-U-I-C. Juice. A refreshing glass of juice is a great way to start the day. Look at everything Barnaby has made. He has boiled eggs, warm toast, and fresh juice. All of this food looks so yummy. Yummy is a word we use when food tastes very, very good. Can you say yummy? U-M-U-I. Yummy. This Easter breakfast is definitely going to be yummy. Finally, Barnaby sets the table. He puts down plates, forks, and of course, a beautiful yellow flower right in the middle. His friends are coming over soon to share this big, yummy Easter breakfast. Sharing with friends makes everything taste even better. Barnaby is so excited to celebrate with them. Great job, everyone! You learned 5 new words today. Kitchen, eggs, bread, juice, and yummy. Now, let's see what you remember with a few fun questions. Are you ready? Question 1. What is Barnaby wearing in his kitchen? Is he wearing a hat or an apron? That's right. He is wearing a white apron to keep his clothes clean while he cooks. Question 2. How many eggs does Barnaby have? Does he have 2 eggs or 4 eggs? Yes, you've got it. He has 4 round eggs to boil for his Easter breakfast. Cool. Question 3. What does Barnaby put in the toaster? Does he put bread or an apple? Exactly. He puts 2 slices of brown bread in the toaster to make some delicious toast. Question 4. What color is the juice Barnaby pours? Is it purple or orange? You're so smart. Paul pours a tall glass of orange juice. And our last question, is the breakfast yummy or bad? Of course. The breakfast looks super yummy. I wish I could join Barnaby and his friends for their Easter brunch. You all did an amazing job today. Learning new words is so much fun, especially with a friend like Barnaby the Badger. Remember the words we learned? Kitchen, where we cook. Eggs, a tasty breakfast food. Bread, for making toast. Juice, a sweet fruit drink. And yummy, for when food tastes great. Thank you so much for joining Barnaby's Easter brunch. I hope you had a wonderful time learning with us. Keep practicing your new words, and we'll see you next time for another adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. Happy Easter, everyone! Bye-bye.